10 simple rules for a happy life. Don't be emotional. Have faith. Don't ever give up. Keep trying. Don't make things complicated. Keep it simple. Don't take things too seriously. Laugh at problems. Don't be a grown up. Stay as youthful as a kid. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Speaks only when you feel your words are better than the silence. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Success hugs you in private. Failure slaps you in public. That's life.